even trying to make a forge out of a knife.
Come get these bricks. Let's put these bricks up there. Mighty wet because all the rain we had in the last 3 months on the backside, Lee.
Huh?
Backside. So we want to move that up just a little bit. Put them on top. Put them bricks on top of that brick. Yeah, like that. Then you'll make you move. There you go. The other on the other corner, right? All right, go get the other one. Sorry, my camera skills ain't the greatest. Stuff he got around the house. He's working on it. All right, we're back with the next
Phil, I got a blow dryer. I'm about to light it up.
No, not yet. So,
Waiting for the fire to get started, and then we're gonna do this stuff.
that's what we got. We got something simple, no big deal. Fire's going, fountain out on the side of the road. Got a blow dryer. Don't tell nobody. There it is. Small forge.
Got the piece in there. We're just waiting until it heats up, and yeah, and make the knife.
My helper is over there playing.
No, stop. Stop. Fire going. We got a blow dryer going into the fire for some reason. We got these things.
I had to make it a little bit smaller to get some more heat on that thing and get it that hotter faster. See how it works. Take it out and make it look.
Him.
Not yet. She's slowly getting there. Just starting to take a little bit of shape. Get back in there.